Hi everyone, this is Randy from HomeServe, and today I'm going to demonstrate a safe and effective way to clean your oven. While this is not a service HomeServe contractors provide as part of your home repair plan, I will show you a simple method you can do yourself. For this, you're going to need some quality latex gloves, protective glasses, quality oven cleaner found in most grocery stores, a 5-gallon bucket, a pack of non-abrasive scrubbing pads, rags or newspapers, and a trash bag. Lay down newspapers and towels, make sure items are cleared away. Begin by prepping the area as cleaning the oven can get messy. Remove the racks from the oven and set them aside. While wearing gloves, spray a liberal amount of cleaner inside the oven and on the racks. You can also use baking soda instead, which acts as a great mild abrasive. If you're using cleaner, follow the manufacturer's instructions on how long the cleaner should work its magic. You should usually be waiting 20 to 30 minutes for a typical buildup. Avoid spraying the burners and electrical elements as much as possible. Once the wait time is up, begin the dirty process of scrubbing away the grime using your scrubbing pads. Using non-abrasive scrubbing pads will make sure to get the grime off without damaging your oven's interior. Throw away the newspaper or rags in the trash bag or bucket as you work your way through the oven and add new paper as needed. Use a rag to wipe off excess cleaner until it's all gone. Repeat the steps for your oven racks if you'd like to clean those as well. And congrats! Now your oven is ready to get cooking. Being prepared for home repairs is always a good strategy. Visit HomeServeUSA.com to see what plans are available in your area. Thanks for watching.